meows! Once again, welcome to Pusang Travel Vlog. This time, we're going international. Come with us and discover the beautiful place of Fukuoka, Japan. So on your way to the boarding gates, you can purchase this SIM card that's only less than 1,000 pesos, and that's good for 8 days of unlimited data. It's good to set it up while on flight so your internet is ready as soon as you arrive.
Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Fukuoka 25 minutes ahead of schedule. Ladies and gentlemen,
Here we
landed at
go!
Fukuoka International Airport.
Okay. Thank you. First garbage. Please throw away garbage. Keep. Yes.
To the
Please return. Keep.
back there. Okay. Arigato. Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato. Thank you.
Alright, so we're home at last. Welcome to Beacon Room Makata. So this place looks big, but it's only approximately 30 square meters. But as you can see, you have everything that you need, that cozy bedroom. And if you look at the front door area, you see that laundry area that they have available. You also have a separated bathroom from the bathtub. And the kitchen area with the utensils that you need, cooking stuff. Alright. So let me look here. It's another set of bed. It's actually good for 4 people. It's around 8 o'clock in the evening and we're purchasing some stuff for our breakfast here at Drugstore Mori. Well, it says drugstore, but it's also actually a supermarket. Let's take a look inside. One thing that's different here is that you're gonna have to put the items yourself, unlike in our country. time for shopping!